Alrighty, you guys, so here's the video of how you can upload your child's work that they have been doing by hand to their portfolio. First thing you want to do is open up the bloomz app. I'm going to click on those 3 lines at the top. When I click on those 3 lines, you should see a little pop up, and it brings you to the filter by classes, and then you should see your child's name on the side. I'm going to click on the child's name. Once I click on the child's name, it'll take you to this page. You'll be able to see their behavior points, the portfolios, and the flags. You don't have to worry about the flags because I'm not going to be posting any negative behavior points. I'm only doing positive. So let's go to portfolio. When I click on portfolio, I'm going to see a plus sign at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to click on the plus sign. And it's going to pop up portfolio item. I'm going to click on that. Portfolio item. And then it's going to ask me to title it. I'm going to title it Week of 10. I'm sorry, can't see it. 10. Oh, goodness gracious. 10. Give me a moment. 5. So there it is. Week of 10/5. If you want to add a description, you can. I'm just going to put letter writing. Mind you that the title and the description is optional. When I get the picture, I'll know exactly what it is. Then at the bottom, it says media, audio, files, comments. I'm going to click on media where that camera is. Click on media, and it's going to say add photos or add video. I'm going to click on add photos. And it's going to give me an option from phone, take photo, or cancel. I'm going to take a photo because I don't have any new photos of the work in my phone. So once I click on take photo, yep, you want to allow bloomz to take pictures and record video. So click on allow. And I'm about to take a picture of the letter writing practice. So there I took the picture, and it's going to say retry or okay. I'm going to click on okay. And then you have an option to select, draw, pick color, or record. I'm just going to hit select. Let me put it down. I'm just going to hit select. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. I'm not selecting anything. I'm just going to click done. And then this will pop up. I'm going to click done again. And then there it is. If I want to add another caption, I could. Or I'm going to post, or I can just post another assignment. And now I'm going to post his response to the story. So I'm going to click again on media, add photo, take. I'm going to click on take photo. Now, if I just took these pictures from beforehand, then I would click from phone, but I didn't. So I'm taking the photo, and now I'm going to take a picture of his response. I like blue. And then I think that says I like Pete the cat. Yeah, that's exactly what that says. Okay. So I'm going to take the picture. Yep, there we go. I'm going to click on OK. I'm going to go to the top. Now, if I wanted to, draw your attention to something, or draw my attention to something, I could draw on it. Pick a color. Because I just want you to see that my child is writing the letter C backwards. How can I fix that? Well, it's not going to fix itself, but it'll get better with practice. Click on done. Click done again. And then, in order to make sure, once you finish taking pictures of everything you want to take a picture of, you click on post. It will post and it will say waiting for approval. Once you get that waiting for approval, it has been posted for me to look at. Alrighty.